Greetings Lightroom users, this is Jerry Courvoisier with LightroomWorkshops.com, and today we're going to look at creating titled slideshows in Lightroom 3.0. What would be great in situations in educational use would be to title slides, and I'm using metadata today to insert the titles of slides right here in this insertable IPTC information where it says status title. This particular slide has the Pueblo, Colorado as the title. This one would be Santa Fe, New Mexico. So this is all insertable information that you can apply in this field called title, and this is the field I'm going to use to hook into my slideshow so that it exhibits the location of the motel at the very bottom. So I've created a series of motels in a special collection, and I'm going to take that collection over to the slideshow module. Now within the slideshow module, I like to have just a plain background, especially with these square format images. And what I'm looking to do is to create two things. A title which has a identity plate, which is the title of the slideshow. So in this case here, what I've done is I've gone to a Word document. I've created the Disappearing American Landscape Motel Series, Jerry Courvoisier Photography. And to do that, I can then scale it here. The identity mode is certainly located easily in an easily accessible area called Main Identity Plate. And you can check out and edit that identity plate right here in the identity plate editor. So sometimes getting multiple lines is difficult, so I always just take it in from a word processor to get multiple lines for my slideshow introductory screens, and I just do a copy and paste. So in this case, the Disappearing American Landscape Motel Series, and then I always like to tell people when the slideshow is over, the end, okay, something like that, and I can scale that to the size that I'd like. Okay, now that's an easy way to set up your introductory slide and your exit slide. But what we want to do is we want to put on what we call the overlays, the text overlay in this case. And to create the title information, there's a little piece down here called ABC. And if you click on it, there's a pull-down menu right here, and you can insert information. So in this case here, let's go to Edit. And basically, instead of adding custom text that would appear on every slide, I'd like to hook into that IPTC data individually for each slide. So I'm going to move to the title rather than the caption information, because that's where I inserted the information in metadata, and say Insert. And then I would save that as a title field. So you're going to hit Save Current Settings as a new preset, and title field should appear. Now once you say Done, and you use this preset, notice that the word associated with the location for this image comes in, and then it's just a matter of positioning the title within Lightroom. So I'm going to scale it down just a little bit. Very easy. Move through and title those slides with their location. Now once that's completed, you'll move to the next frame in slideshow, and you can see that the information is hooked. Hooking from metadata, the title area in the IPTC info. So really easy, quick and easy way to add titles to your slideshows for an educational reason. Now if I were to play this slideshow, it would come up on the screen, and notice the Santa Fe, New Mexico. Moving to the next slide, Santa Fe, New Mexico, Albuquerque, New Mexico, etc. I'm going to escape here just for a second. Let's show you from the very beginning. So I'll click over here on this one, and I'll hit play. So if there was a situation where you wanted to stop the slideshow, just hit the spacebar key to let people examine the slide a little bit longer, or explain the reason why you took this image and its location and so forth. Just hit the spacebar to continue with your slideshow and move on through. So that's Jerry Courvoisier with LightroomWorkshops.com. creating titled slideshow presentations for education. Good to have you join us today. Look forward to seeing you up on the tutorials page again at lightroomworkshops.com or jerrycourvoisier.com. Have a great day now.